This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please, consult a healthcare provider for any health concerns. Imagine trying to push water through a very tight pipe. That's exactly what your heart goes through when your blood pressure is high. Normally, your heart pumps blood easily through your body. Think of your blood vessels like flexible pipes. The blood flows smoothly without stress. But over time, these pipes can start to get tighter or harder. This can happen from everyday things like eating too much salty food, not moving your body enough, constant stress, or, gaining weight. Now imagine trying to push the same amount of water through a smaller pipe. It becomes harder, right? That's what your heart is doing. It has to push harder to move blood around your body. This extra force inside your blood vessels is what we call hypertension. It's basically too much pressure in your system. Now here's the problem. That pressure doesn't just stay there. It starts causing damage. Your blood vessels become tighter, weaker, and honestly, just less flexible. And when blood can't flow properly, your organs start to struggle. The craziest part? You might feel completely fine. That's why many people don't even know they have it. So don't wait for symptoms. Check your blood pressure regularly, because prevention is always easier than treatment.